Welcome back to Product Critique, where we take a closer look at the best food products on the market so you don't have to. And today, we've got something that's going to elevate your snacking, cooking, and cheesy cravings to a whole new level. This right here is the best extra sharp cheddar cheese sauce you'll ever find. Gehls Sharp Cheddar Cheese Sauce in the 140-ounce packs, 4 per case. If you love rich, bold, velvety cheese that makes every bite unforgettable, you're going to want to stick around. Now let's get into what makes Gehls a standout. First off, this isn't your average cheese sauce. It's crafted with real aged cheddar cheese, and that means a deep, full-bodied flavor that hits with the tanginess and sharpness you'd expect from a well-aged cheddar. It's creamy, it's luxurious, and it pours like a dream. Whether you're ladling it onto hot fries or layering it into your next batch of mac and cheese, it just works. The 140-ounce pouch size isn't just about quantity, it's about convenience. Each bag is aseptically processed, meaning it's commercially sterile and shelf-stable. That's right, no refrigeration required before opening. It's ready to serve straight out of the pouch and is best enjoyed at around 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're running a concession stand or just love throwing big game day parties at home, this cheese sauce fits right in. And get this, it's fully compatible with Gehls Hot Top 2 single dispenser or any peristaltic pump dispenser. That's the same kind of system you see at movie theaters or stadiums. So if you want to bring that pro-quality cheese flow to your kitchen or event, this is the way to go. Let's talk versatility. Gehls Sharp Cheddar Cheese Sauce is ideal for more than just nachos. Imagine it drizzled over loaded fries, poured into baked potatoes, layered in cheese steaks, or stirred into pasta for an instant creamy mac and cheese. The texture is so smooth and the consistency is ultra creamy, which makes it perfect for coating, dipping, and layering. One of the best things about this cheese sauce is what's not in it. There are no artificial flavors and absolutely 0 grams of trans fat per serving. So you're getting pure, indulgent cheddar flavor without the extra junk. That's a win. The packaging is built for bulk. You're getting 4 140-ounce pouches per case. That's a total of 560 ounces of cheese sauce. Whether you're feeding a crowd or just want to stock up, this case has you covered for weeks, maybe months depending on your cheese habits. Now, you might be wondering, how does it compare to making cheese sauce at home? Look, we love homemade cooking, but Gehls has perfected a balance between flavor, consistency, and convenience. No need for grating, melting, or whisking. Just heat and serve. And with that rich, sharp cheddar flavor, you'd be hard-pressed to tell the difference. And for those in the food service industry or hosting events, you'll be glad to know that Gehls packaging includes details about separate hose and valve accessories, so you can set up your dispenser system right without a hitch. So to wrap it all up, Gehls Sharp Cheddar Cheese Sauce is your go-to solution for restaurant-quality cheese flavor at home or on the go. It's packed with real aged cheddar, delivers ultra-creamy texture, requires no refrigeration before opening, and comes in a generous bulk pack that ensures you never run low on cheesy goodness. That's it for today's review here on Product Critique. If you're serious about cheese, this might just be the product your pantry's been missing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more no-nonsense reviews. See you next time.